Hello, I'm Stuart Young. I'm a board-certified consumer bankruptcy attorney practicing in West Palm Beach for the last 34 years. I'd like to help you.
When I file bankruptcy, how many of my personal assets will I be allowed to keep?
You'd be amazed what you get to keep when you file bankruptcy. You get to keep $1,000 of value or equity in your car. If your car is leased, you get to keep the car. Of course, you'd have to make the lease payments. If your car is financed and you have no more than $1,000 of value over and above the loan, you get to keep the car. Some people have cars that are paid for that are worth $4,000 or $5,000. That could be an issue. We can deal with that, but that's something you could talk to the lawyer about. Besides the $1,000 of value that you could keep in your car, you can also typically keep $5,000 of value of personal property per person filing. So if you're filing with your husband, you could each keep $5,000 of personal property. And people would say, well, Mr. Young, $5,000 doesn't seem to be a lot, but we're talking $5,000 at garage sale prices. If you've had a garage sale, you know what I'm talking about. It's probably 10% of what you paid for the item.
What about my home?
Most people get to keep their home. First off, in today's world, most people have no value above the first, let alone the second mortgage that they might have on their home. But typically, people get to keep their home. And if you had a home that's paid for, you could typically keep that as well. Please feel free to visit my website or call my office for a convenient appointment. And remember, the best bankruptcy result is one that you carefully plan for.